Want a brighter smile without spending a fortune at the dentist? Today, I'm showing you how to whiten your teeth naturally at home, using safe, affordable methods that actually work. No gimmicks, no harsh chemicals, just real results you can start seeing in days. First, let's talk about why our teeth get yellow in the first place. Common causes include coffee and tea, smoking, sugary or acidic foods, poor oral hygiene, and just natural aging. But the good news is you can fight back with stuff you probably already have at home. So here are some natural methods to whiten teeth. Method 1. Baking soda. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of hydrogen peroxide. Brush gently for 1 to 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week. This combo helps remove surface stains and kills bacteria. But don't overdo it, it's powerful. Method 2. Strawberries and baking soda. Yep, strawberries. Mash 1 ripe strawberry and mix with half a teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to your teeth for 5 minutes, then rinse and brush. Strawberries contain malic acid, a natural enamel-friendly whitener. Method 3. Oil pulling with coconut oil. Swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10-15 minutes. It sounds weird, but it helps pull toxins, reduce bacteria, and freshen breath. Plus, it's gentle on enamel. Method 4. Lemon peel or banana peel rubbing. Gently rub the inside of a banana peel or lemon peel on your teeth for a minute. Banana peels are rich in minerals like potassium and magnesium. Lemon has citric acid, but use it sparingly to avoid enamel wear. What to avoid? Now, just as important as what you do is what you don't do. Don't brush immediately after acidic foods, it wears down enamel. Avoid overusing whitening agents, moderation is key. Never use straight-up lemon juice or vinegar, they're too acidic. Daily habits to keep teeth white. Brush twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Floss daily to prevent plaque buildup. Rinse after drinking coffee, tea, or wine. Drink plenty of water, and try switching to a whitening toothpaste. So there you have it, simple, natural ways to whiten your teeth right at home. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and DIY tips. And hey, drop a comment below if you've tried any of these or have your own secret to a brighter smile. Thanks for watching. Now go smile bright.